This is a big rig RV at its finest, with air conditioning, plenty of horsepower, storage room, sleeping quarters, you name it, it's got it. It'll have long legs to get in, or a ladder. We're grilling over here, tool storage, water hookup for the pressure washer, keeps this thing shining bright all the time. Oh, it goes in this way. Come on, check it out, y'all. This thing is super nice. Don't go out the back door. If you do go out the back door, watch that first step. It is a doozy. And it is also a 1970.